Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Apps Portals Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 144. Associate Table Reference Populate Lookup Field. In tip 141, I provided an overview of the Associate Table Reference functionality. It allows you to set the value of a lookup on the row being inserted or updated via a basic or advanced form, without the lookup appearing on the form itself. In this tip, we'll look at the Populate Lookup Field option. If the lookup field you are setting appears on the form, then you might want to consider using the Populate Lookup Field option so that the user sees what value the field will have. It's important to note that if you leave the field as editable and the user changes the value, that change will be ignored. When you use the Associate Table Reference functionality, any value set on the form itself is overwritten by your setup. There are some quirks with this functionality. It doesn't work if you use the record associated to current user source. It does work if you use query string or previous step. For advanced forms, it doesn't work if you leave the lookup as a standard lookup control with a modal pop-up for selecting records. If you use form metadata to switch the lookup to be a dropdown, it does work. With basic forms, it works in either situation. If you do want the field to show on the form, I recommend that you make it read-only, and that you use this functionality if you're using query string, or the pre-populate functionality of form metadata if you're using the record related to current contact, to show the value on the form that will actually be saved. Otherwise, I think it is a confusing user experience to be able to set the value on a field, but for that value to always be overwritten. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Apps Portals tip number 144 on Associate Table Reference Populate Lookup Field useful.